Welcome to a quick walkthrough of the ClearObject Thruway Vehicle Height Detection System, an innovative vision AI solution designed to prevent costly and dangerous bridge strikes. Every year, thousands of overheight trucks strike bridges across the U.S. In New York alone, there were over 230 bridge strikes since 2020, costing millions in repairs, delays, and risk to human life. The New York State Thruway Authority, in partnership with Google Public Sector and ClearObject, asked a simple question. Can we use our existing traffic cameras with minimal additional hardware to accurately detect vehicle height in real time? The answer? Yes. By placing low-cost, checkered calibration targets like poles and grid markers alongside the road, and using Vision AI to analyze standard traffic footage, we can now measure a vehicle's height within 2 inches of accuracy. Here's how it works. 1. The AI detects the vehicle and its tires. 2. It identifies the highest point on the vehicle. 3. It locates the known size calibration markers. 4. It translates video pixels into real-world measurements. 5. It then calculates the vehicle's exact height. The results speak for themselves. Across multiple test sites, the model consistently predicted truck height with minimal deviation, typically within a 1 to 2 inch margin. The impact? Reducing bridge strikes by just 1% would result in millions of dollars in annual savings and improve the safety of drivers. This is a low-cost, high-impact way to bring AI into infrastructure. No new sensors or network build-outs required, just smarter use of the tools already in place. To learn more or bring this to your state or agency, talk to your ClearObject or Google Public Sector rep today.